How to check if Tamara is down today. Riyadh status. Is Tamara not working for you today? Let's quickly check the server status and what to do next. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to check if Tamara is down in Riyadh and how to stay updated on its status. Step 1. Visit Tamara's official social media pages like Twitter or Instagram for any outage announcements. Step 2. Use third-party websites like Down Detector to see real-time reports from users about Tamara's service status. Step 3. Restart your app or device to rule out local issues. Step 4. If Tamara is confirmed down, wait patiently for the service to be restored. Step 5. For urgent matters, contact Tamara customer support to get updates or alternatives. Quick tip, follow Tamara's official channels to get instant outage alerts and updates. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.